Hello, and we've been looking at causation within criminal law and the idea of Novus, Actus, Interveniens, which come along and they break the chain of causation by being the current operative and substantial cause of the result. Now, the next section we're going to look at is more just a case study, which is drug supply cases. This is where somebody gives somebody else some drugs and then they die or they get injured. Who is to be held responsible, morally speaking, for that injury? Now, the case study we look at is R. and Kennedy 2007. So what happened is the victim asked the defendant for some drugs. The defendant gave the victim a heroin-filled syringe, and the victim, she injected herself independently, but then shortly after she died. Now, the Court of Appeals said that the defendant caused the death, the defendant should be convicted. But this was overturned by the House of Lords because they stressed on the principle of free, voluntary and informed manner of acting. This links back to the third-party interventions. They said adults of sound mind are to be treated as autonomous. The victim here acted voluntarily, freely, and in an informed manner. Thus, a Novus Actus Interveniens had occurred. The defendant did not cause the result, as there was an intervening act, and the conviction was quashed. So this is another example of seeing the third-party principle being taken into account. Thank you for watching.